Hi, scientists. I hope you're all doing okay. I miss you guys so much. Today, we're going to have another fun science time. We're going to first read the very last section in our book together. And then after, I'm going to do a little experiment at my house with things I found that maybe you can try out too. So first, we're going to read the very last section in our book, and it's called Collisions. We're going to read to find out what collision means. A ball on a slope will roll. Gravity pulls it downhill. What happens at the bottom of the slope? The ball might collide with something. Can you say collide? Let's look at this picture. I see the ball rolling down the slope, and when it gets to the end, it collides with those blocks. I think collides means when something hits something else. What happens if a moving ball collides with other objects? The ball might push the objects away. This is a quick video of people bowling. Bowling is when you let a ball go and it rolls down and it collides or it hits the pins at the end. Wow. The bowling ball pushes the pins away. So when the bowling ball collides with the pins, it's pushing them away. There you go. Let's see what else. Ooh, a soccer player gets a pass. She might kick the ball. A kick pushes the ball in a new direction. So if you've ever played soccer before, maybe in PE with Miss Ella, when you kick the ball, you move it in a different direction and you try to score a goal. A player kicks the ball into the net. The net pushes on the moving ball. It stops the ball. So in this video, the ball gets kicked into the net and the net stops the ball. If the net was not there, the ball would keep rolling, keep moving. This golfer wants to hit the ball into a hole. How can he make the ball turn a corner? He might use the walls to push the ball. The walls can change the ball's direction. The ball rolls into the hole. This ball got a really big push. The ball pushed through a block wall. That's a big collision. All right, let's review or look at some of the words that we learned. So we learned this word collide. Say collide. When something collides, it hits or crashes into something else. We learned the word gravity last time. Say gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls things down. That's why, let me see, an example, a teddy bear. If we were to hold a teddy bear here and then let go, the teddy bear falls. That's because of gravity. Gravity is pulling the teddy bear down. The teddy bear does not just stay right here floating, right? That's gravity. All right, we learned the word motion. Say motion. Motion is when things move. We learned the word pull. Pull is when you move something towards you. Push is when you move it away from you. We learned the word slope. Say slope. Slope is when things move down or when they move up. They're going down or up a slope. All right. So that's the end of our book here. So we're gonna stop. I'm going to do my experiment next. So for my experiment, I found some things in my house that I'm going to test out on a slope using gravity. We're gonna see how they move. We're gonna put them into motion. So be sure to watch Miss Lambert's experiment video after this.